Imagine waking up every morning without that alarm clock blaring, jolting you out of your peaceful slumber. Instead, you rise naturally with the sun, feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. No more groggy mornings or frantic rushes to get ready for work. You have the luxury of time, the freedom to start your day at your own pace. Picture this. No boss breathing down your neck, micromanaging your every move, or piling on unrealistic deadlines. You're no longer stuck in a cubicle, feeling the weight of the corporate grind. Instead, you have the autonomy to make your own decisions, to work on projects that truly excite you, and to set your own schedule. Imagine having the freedom to travel, to explore new places, and to immerse yourself in different cultures. You can work from a beach in Bali one week and a cozy cafe in Paris the next. You're not confined to one location. The world is your office. You can pursue your passions, whether it's writing, photography, or starting your own business. You have the time and flexibility to live life on your own terms. That's the dream, right? And guess what? This dream is becoming a reality for more and more people. They're ditching the traditional 9-to-5 grind and finding unconventional ways to make serious money. They're redefining what it means to work and live, breaking free from the constraints of the corporate world. I mean, think about it. 60% of people stuck in those soul-crushing 9-to-5s are barely scraping by, just trying to pay their bills every month. They're living paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressed about money. It's a never-ending cycle of financial struggle. And it's even worse when you realize that over half of them are completely burnt out. They're exhausted, both physically and mentally. The constant pressure, the long hours, and the lack of fulfillment take a toll on their well-being. They're stuck in a rut, feeling trapped and unmotivated. They're literally trading their health and happiness for a paycheck. They're sacrificing their dreams, their passions, and their quality of life just to make ends meet. It's a harsh reality that many people face, but it doesn't have to be this way. But here's the thing. There's another way. There's a path to financial freedom that doesn't involve the traditional 9-to-5 grind. It's about thinking outside the box, exploring new opportunities, and taking control of your own destiny. In this video, I'm going to break down 15 surprising and, frankly, brilliant ways people are making bank without being chained to a desk. These are real, actionable strategies that you can start implementing today. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to supplement your income or a full-time gig that gives you the freedom you crave, there's something here for everyone. We're talking about side hustles with the potential to replace your income entirely. From freelancing and remote work to gig economy jobs and online businesses. The possibilities are endless. You can find something that aligns with your skills, interests, and lifestyle. And even some crazy lucrative opportunities you've probably never even considered. There are niche markets and emerging industries that are ripe for the taking. With a bit of creativity and determination, you can carve out your own path to success. By the end of this video, you'll have a whole arsenal of money-making ideas to jumpstart your journey to financial freedom. You'll be equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to take that first step towards a life of independence and fulfillment. So let's dive in and explore these exciting opportunities together. Let's do this. Please like and subscribe, folks. It helps the channel grow, and it is free to you. In return, I promise to make better videos and respond to all your comments. Your support means the world to me. And together, we can build a community of like-minded individuals striving for financial freedom and a better quality of life. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Ever heard the saying, "It's not what you know, it's who you know"? This phrase holds a lot of weight, especially in the business world. Networking is the key to unlocking opportunities that you might not even know exist. Well, it's true, especially in the business world. Building relationships can open doors to new clients, partnerships, and even career advancements. It's about creating a web of connections that can support and elevate you. Think about it. You could be the best accountant, lawyer, or consultant out there with top-notch skills and a wealth of knowledge. But if nobody knows you exist, you're not going to get very far. Visibility is crucial. It's not just about being good at what you do. It's about making sure the right people know about you. Without a network, you might find yourself isolated, struggling to find clients or opportunities. So, get out there, attend events, and make those connections. We're talking about curating the ultimate high-end experience for people who have more money than time. Think private jet charters, exclusive access to events, Michelin star chefs cooking in their homes. You become the architect of their perfect life. AI is changing the game, and people are willing to pay big bucks to learn how to use it to their advantage. Chapter 4. The Ethical Investor. Guiding clients towards socially responsible investing. More and more people want their money to make a difference in the world. That's where you come in as an ethical investment advisor. Chapter 5. Knowledge is power. Build a subscription empire. Around your expertise, whatever you're passionate about, chances are there are people out there who are willing to pay to learn from you. The ghostwriter, become the voice behind powerful people. High-level executives are incredibly busy people, and they often don't have the time to craft compelling articles, write books, or prepare speeches. The brand visionary. Curating images for luxury brands. Luxury brands are all about image, and they're willing to shell out top dollar for high-quality, visually stunning content. The data detective. Uncovering hidden trends and selling valuable insights. Data is the new gold. And if you can identify and analyze niche trends, you can sell those insights to businesses that are desperate for an edge. The experience curator. Tapping into the power of cultural events. People crave unique experiences, and they're willing to pay a premium for them. The auction guru. Guiding clients through the world of online auctions. Online auctions can be intimidating, especially when it comes to high-value items. The luxury lender. Renting out your high-end possessions. Have a closet full of designer clothes you never wear? A luxury car that spends most of its time in the garage? The expat expert. Helping the wealthy relocate abroad. Relocating to a new country is a complex process, especially for high-net-worth individuals. Everyone has a story, and wealthy families are often willing to pay a premium to have theirs meticulously researched and documented. People love their pets, and they're willing to spend big bucks to give them the best possible life. In the digital age, having a strong personal brand is more important than ever, especially for entrepreneurs, influencers, and anyone looking to establish themselves as an authority in their field. So, there you have it. 15 unconventional ways to make money. Each of these methods offers a unique opportunity to break free from the traditional work model and explore new avenues for income. Whether you're looking to supplement your current earnings or completely transform your career, these ideas can serve as a stepping stone to financial freedom. These side hustles prove that you don't need to be trapped in a soul-crushing 9-to-5 job to live a fulfilling life. Imagine waking up every day excited about the work you do, knowing that it aligns with your passions and interests. The beauty of these unconventional methods is that they offer flexibility and creativity, allowing you to design a lifestyle that suits you. Remember, the key is to find something that lights you up, something that you genuinely enjoy doing. When you are passionate about your work, it doesn't feel like work at all. It becomes a source of joy and satisfaction. And the best part is, you don't need to make drastic changes overnight. You can start small, dedicating a few hours a week to your side hustle and gradually build it up. Many of these ideas can be launched as the side hustles, allowing you to test the waters and build your skills without the pressure of quitting your day job. This approach gives you the freedom to experiment and find what truly resonates with you. Over time, as you gain confidence and experience, you can transition to a full-time career that gives you the freedom and flexibility you crave. The journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about taking consistent, small steps towards your goals. By learning new skills and continuously improving, you set yourself up for long-term success. Online courses, workshops, and tutorials are excellent resources to help you get started and stay on track. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Your support helps us create more content that empowers you to take control of your financial future. We love hearing from our community, so don't hesitate to leave a comment with your thoughts, questions, or success stories. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Subscribe to the channel for more game-changing financial insights. We regularly share tips, strategies, and success stories to inspire and guide you on your journey. By subscribing, you become part of a community of like-minded individuals who are all striving for financial freedom and personal fulfillment. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Staying informed and up to date with the latest content ensures that you have all the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. We are committed to providing you with valuable insights and practical advice that you can apply to your own life. Until next time, stay hungry, stay driven. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a continuous process of learning and growth. Surround yourself with positive influences and supportive people who encourage you to reach your full potential. Together, we can achieve great things. And I'll see you in the next video. Keep pushing forward and never stop chasing your dreams. Your future self will thank you for the efforts you put in today.